Hello and welcome. According to the Pathfinder poll application, in this video I will try to review the topic at the number 369. There are two projects and both of them are AI projects. I will try to review them. Let's start. The first project name is ai16z. Let's write its name to the CoinGecko, and we can see that the project is moving around 250 plays on CoinGecko, and it has a market cap around $230 million at the time I'm recording this video. And the project's name is actually complex, as you can see. That is why the team is changing the project's name into ELIZA operating system. So this project is about creating a DAO and managing a crypto portfolio together with this DAO. And since this is an AI agent project, in this DAO, there is an AI agent which is affecting the decisions as well. So we will try to understand this project in a minute. Let's go to the CoinGecko first to see the basic information. As you can see, total supply is 1,100,000,000. Maximum supply same, circulation supply same. To confirm that, we need to go to the Explorer of Solana. We can confirm the supply in here. We can click holders. We can see the percentages of the distribution. So these numbers are approximately correct. So I estimate for this video, the circulation supply percentage is moving around 70 and 80. Of course, it's not 100, so the distribution is not fully real. So that's okay. So when we check the chart, we can confirm it has been listed on CoinGecko for the last 5 months, and 5 months on CoinGecko, and the circulation supply moving around 70 and 80, showing us the project is actually a young project, but the circulation supply percentage increased significantly in the last 5 months, which we need to take care of, we need to be careful of. When we check the markets, we can confirm it has been listed on many exchanges. Before going deeper, let's have a quick summary. According to the supply, the risk is low. According to the price and chart and ranking, so the risk is actually medium. According to the markets, the risk is nearly zero. So let's continue with GitHub. They have GitHub. When we go to the web page, we can click framework. And on this page, we have this GitHub. And on this GitHub, they have more than 30 shares, and around 5 of them are being updated regularly with good content. So we have our GitHub. There's no problem getting a check mark. For Twitter shares, no problem. The project is resuming. Now let's go back to the web page and try to understand the project. So this project is actually a DAO project, which we can involve. Partners are involving, so individuals, partners, teams, etc. We can involve to this DAO, and with this DAO, we are managing a portfolio. This portfolio is a crypto portfolio, and AI agent ELIZA is also involving in this portfolio. So currently the decision is being made by all, but the idea is to automate this AI agent to make all the decisions and executions. So this is basically the idea, and the contributors of this DAO is making effect on the decisions by the calculation how many tokens they have. So that's the basic idea of this project. Let's now try to see the web page. We have already seen the framework web page, which is giving us a basic information, some community made web page, some site AI agents, as you can see, autonomous AI agent creation, character creation, etc. So some of them are not working. We have seen the GitHub. The next one is the DAO itself. So when we go down, we can see some explanations, some official pages, Discord link, Telegram link, the leaderboard in the DAO itself, some community made links as well, some FAQs. If you're interested, please read them. So the basic DAO is in here. If we click this link, it's gonna forward us to the same page. So DAO is under DAOs.fund. fun web page. So to involve, you need to log in somehow. As you can see, there is this liquidity. You can add liquidity, remove liquidity. You can purchase, you can sell tokens of this project, ELIZA tokens, so ai16z tokens, and you can see the portfolio in here as well. So the project is working on this web page basically currently. So we can see the partners when we click here, partners and AI agents. We can click my ELIZA and we can join to the wait list. So they are working on creating a ELIZA AI agent which we can use for ourselves as well. So this is the project at this time. So let's mention the team as well. When we write ELIZA operating system founder, we can see Shaw Walters. And if you search this name on YouTube, you can find him. There are interviews. So the team is transparent. No problem on team as well. Let's write it. Comment and analyze the project. Estimate the price as well. So there are some good parts on this project. So we have a DIO, we are managing a portfolio, and an AI agent is helping us. So these things are great, but relying on an AI agent is also risky. So we need to be careful on that one as well. The positive part, the circulation supply is high. The positive part, market listings are okay. The positive parts, we have a GitHub and it is working and it is loaded. So the only hesitation, the project is a young project and the ranking is quite high currently, and there are many AI projects in the crypto industry and more is on the way. So we need to be careful on that one as well. So price wise, if we are entering a huge bull market, of course the price will jump, and then in the bear market, of course, it's gonna drop again. So I cannot estimate if the jump will be higher or lower than this one. It's not possible for me, but after the jump and the bear market arrives again, there's a possibility for this project to have a baseline higher than the previous one if everything goes well. So if there is no hacks and if there is no other huge problems, because the circulation is okay and there is a working utility. So that is all for this project. So the ranking is moving around 250. So in a short and middle term, this project can move between 100 and 500 if you ask me, but for a long term, it's possible for this project to stay between 300 and 500 because, of course, the project is good. It has the potential to grow, but there are many projects. There are many AI projects coming on the way, and there are many similar projects in the crypto industry, so we need to be careful on that one. Even staying between 300 and 500 for this project in the long term is a great success. So the next project now, it is SwarmNode.ai. When we write SwarmNode to CoinGecko, we can confirm the location is moving around 1,027 and the market cap is moving around $23 million. And the project slogan is telling us serverless AI agents deploy instantly. So you can deploy AI agents with one click. Yeah, that's correct. We will see in a minute. Let's check the CoinGecko page first. So the circulation supply for this project is again high, showing as high. The maximum supply, total supply is moving around 1 billion, and circulation supply is moving around 900 million. To confirm that, we can go to the Solana scan. So you can see the supply information in here. When you click the holders, you can see the distribution. Everything looks great. But if you ask me, again, the circulation supply should be considered between 70% and 80%. So I will continue around those numbers. When we check the chart, it has been listed on CoinGecko for the last 3 months. So it is a young project. 3 months and circulation supply around, again, moving around 80%. So a question mark in here again. When we check the markets, we can confirm it has been listed on many exchanges, no problem. Before going deeper, let's have a quick summary. According to the tokenomics, the risk is low. According to the price and chart and ranking, the risk is between medium and low. According to the markets, the risk is nearly zero. Let's continue with GitHub. This project has its GitHub as well, but there is no post on their GitHub. When we click GitHub, we can confirm it is empty. If they have another GitHub, and if you know the link, please share it. I will be happy. So for Twitter, no problem. The posts are coming up regularly. Let's now go back to the webpage and try to understand the project. So in this project also, users can create AI agents. So anybody can come, log in, we will see in a minute, and create AI agents with using this application. So there's an application, we use this application, we create AI agents. Normally AI agents require computation power, so computers, as you know, but in this project we do not know computers because it's serverless. The server is being provided by SwarmNode with cloud server. So there's a cloud server. We do not know anything about this. We just see the application with one click. We create our AI agent. So they're using this cloud server and they're not using all the time. They're using only whenever it's necessary. So other than this, if another person comes, they can use our AI agents because we have created them with code. When they use it, we can earn the tokens of this project. SNAI tokens from the user, and also for some new users can come to the application. They can create requests. They can request AI agents, and if you build them, you can sell your AI agent to the requester with again SNAI tokens. And also with the serverless AI agents, if you have multiple AI agents, you can use them together. So they can communicate each other. They can collect databases. You can create your store. You can sell your AI agents in the marketplace. And all of them are being made with SNAI tokens. So this is the project, basically. Let's now go through the web page. So these links are forwarding to the same points. These links are forwarding to the same points. So I will go through the web page so fast. So we can see a user interface from the application. We can see some features in here. As you can see, we can use some templates inside of the application, which we will see in a minute. So when you use for actual usage, you need to pay. Other than that, you don't need to pay. They have their API SDKs, so you can use the templates and the documentation in a clear way. If you're using free, as you can see, 5 minutes of execution. If you want to use premium, there's a payment. If you want to use as corporate, you need to communicate with them with a higher price. So we have a right to the end of the page, as you can see. Now let's see the application. If you click first time, you need to create an account. So I have already created. So create an AI agent with code with one click. Your AI agents, my AI agents. Create a store. You can create your store, my stores. You can create your databases. As you can see, you can create a vector store. You can learn it in the documentation. Documentation is in here, and there's this marketplace. And in the marketplace, as you can see, bounties. People have created their requests in here. If you read them, if you create them, you can click, you can apply, and you can sell your AI agent to that person. And you can get some SNAI tokens, which we have mentioned in the main webpage as well. So there are templates that you can use to create AI agents as well. If you want to see a template, just click use template and you see all the code in here. You make your modification and create. That's simple. So this is the project. Again, for this project, you can find the founder and the team members. The founder is Bakar, but for this project, the team and the founder is actually anonymous. So you can find the name. If you search Google, you can find some information, some links about them, but actually they're anonymous. So the project's team is not getting a fully check mark, a question mark with a check mark. So that's all. Let's try to comment and analyze the project. So there are some good parts, of course, bad parts. The project has a utility application. We can create our AI agents without servers. As you can see, there are some bounties, templates, and everything is working already. So the project has a working application. This is very important, but the project does not have an active GitHub. The project team is anonymous, and again, AI projects are everywhere, as you know. So these are the negative and positives. And for the price wise, if you are entering a huge bull market, this project has a potential to jump. It is already being hidden around 1000 place on CoinGecko. If this project gets attention from the developers or AI agent users, of course, the jump will be significant. But if it does not happen, the jump maybe will not be significant as this one. After the bull market, when the bear market arrives, this project has a potential to create a line higher than the previous bottom line. This project has this potential as well if there is no huge hacks or other bad things. So if we are not entering a huge bull market, if the sideways market continues or bear market continues, I expect a price drop slowly on this project. And for the ranking, as you can see, it is moving around 1000. For short term and middle term, for this project, I expect a movement between 800 and 1000 for this project. If the project's product gets real attention from the developers and users, then in a long term, this project has a potential to stay inside 600 and 800. This is a potential, but if the project does not get real attention from the developers and the users, in a long term, things can get worse. The projects can move lower than 1000, from 1000 to 1200, or maybe 1500. These possibilities also exist. So you need to keep an eye on this one as well. So that is all for this video. I have tried to review 2 projects, and please do not forget, nothing is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.